Alright, what's up folks? So this is just a quick little intro video because I already actually did all the work and my intro sucked because I was like hella tired and it just didn't make any sense. So basically I got this, these are spot weld remover drill bits. As you can see, I've been testing out this bit to see how well it works. I'm getting ready to remove this bracket here. As you may remember from other videos, this bracket needs to be replaced with the Hasport mount or Hasport bracket. That way I can get the all-wheel drive transmission to sit up in here. And yeah, so no going back from here. I've been working on this one for just a couple minutes and it's already looking like it's already about ready to pop off. It's below the metal, so it's going into the frame now. So I think it's working pretty well. Huh. So that's pretty cool. It just punches that right out. Interesting. Wow, that is pretty cool. So we got two knocked out already, and I've only been working on this for about 10 minutes maybe. There's another one down here, there's another one down here, there's another one in the middle right there. I'm gonna assume that there's probably gonna be one that I can't get to over here somewhere. Alright, so I just popped off the little tab there, and there is in fact two spot welds in a place. There's no way in hell I'm going to be able to get a drill bit in there. Just no way. But you can see here I got some pretty nice little indentations going on the four spot welds in the middle of this piece right here, so I'm going to try to knock those out real quick. Alright, so apparently you're not supposed to drill these things all the way out like I did right here. It is what it is, whatever. I can just fill that up with some weld. I honestly didn't mean to do that, it just kind of happened. And then after the first one happened, I was like, oh, I could do the next one. And then my friend was like, no, you're not supposed to do that. But yeah, so these ones are looking pretty good though. Inside the middle of the bracket. These spot welds down in here, I have no idea how they got those in there unless they built a car around these brackets or something, because like there's just no way you can get anything in there, like not even like a welder. Oh yeah, if you're gonna be grinding and shooting sparks up in the engine bay, even if like your car has pretty much been dead for a while, I don't know, maybe just like cover up where the gas is coming from the filter. That's just something I just did, so try it out. Alright, so I just kind of grinded off. So I just kind of grinded off the tack welds, and now I'm gonna get a chisel and just see if it separates. Alright, because I don't know if you guys could see from that camera angle. You can see I got this side completely popped off all the way down to the bottom here. Looks like I might have a little bit of tack weld still on there. The goalie here, that's all detacked. Down here at the bottom, that's separated, cut away, and now it's just left up to this part that I was saying I was going to have a problem with. Alright, so I've just been bashing away at this with the chisel instead of hitting it with the saw, and you can see I'm like pretty much all the way through the last two spot welds just hitting with the chisel. Oh jeez, there's even a spot weld all the way in the very back. Are you kidding me? You cannot make this up. There's a spot weld all the way down here. You are kidding. How did anyone do this and still save this bracket? There's no way. Alright, we're in there. So not too bad. Pew! See how this lines up real quick. So this is pretty much what I'm talking about here. This is so cool. Like they just, I mean, it's like so obvious. Of course you do this, but shout out to them. Got that all nice and smooth. Got a little spot right there. Gotta get back on. But aside from that, everything is prepped up. Look at that. So now that everything's all prepped up, I think I'm ready to call it a night. It's probably like 1 p.m. and I am tired. I've been up since 5 yesterday. So that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.